It has long been speculated that pets are good for human health. Relieving stress and encouraging a healthy lifestyle are commonly cited as two positive effects of pet ownership. But when it comes to cats, scientific evidence suggests that their purring can be especially beneficial to their owner. When your cat starts to behave strangely, you may start to get a little suspicious. You will probably take him to the vet for a checkup, and the vet will prescribe an antibiotic. Sometimes synthetic antibiotics can have a detrimental effect. But we still have a proven treatment for our kids. These are natural antibiotics. Many people have no idea which one you choose. It really determines the quality of your cat's future health, or uses natural antibiotics to relieve your dear kitty. Natural antibiotic. Natural antibiotics have been used by our ancestors for centuries. Nowadays, they are increasingly under the scrutiny of scientists. Some substances contained in herbs and known roots can be more effective than antibiotics. Their advantage is the fact that they have a broader effect, which does not expose the body to weakening and depletion. The most important advantage is the general availability of most foods that exhibit antibiotic properties. Honey, onion, oregano, basil, or chamomile are found in virtually every kitchen. When consumed in moderation, they are completely safe for your cat's health and can be enjoyed practically every day. Another advantage from a medical perspective is that they do not contribute to the resistance of bacteria. Even long-term use of natural antibiotics does not cause bacterial resistance, which has been observed in the case of synthetic drugs. Remember, in case of any health problems or strange behavior of your cat, first, consult your veterinarian. Symptoms of bacterial infection in cats. Bacterial infections in cats are always specific to the infection. Signs and symptoms: while streptococcal infections cause pain and fever, superficial bacterial infections can cause inflammation, redness, and discomfort. Here are some common symptoms of a bacterial infection in cats. Fever. Skin abscesses. Indigestion and lack of appetite. Skin lesions and wound infections. Coughing and runny nose. Red and watery eyes. Constant vomiting. Inflammation and redness of the skin. Pain and lethargy. Disability. Open fractures and pus oozing from wounds. Causes of bacterial infection in cats. There are different types of bacterial infections that can affect your cat and its main health condition. Age also determines the susceptibility to bacterial infections in cats. While young adult cats have better immunity to serious bacterial infections, kittens are more susceptible to infections due to a lack of antibodies. Similarly, old cats with weaker immune systems have a decline in antibodies. This is a major factor in causing bacterial infection of the skin, eyes, ears, and many other vital organs. Some of the main causes and risk factors for bacterial infections in cats are: age, a weakened immune system, torn skin due to abrasions, cuts, or skin disease, poor diet, underlying disease, viral infections, exposure to other infected animals, high bacterial load in the air, water, food, and soil. Naturalness is also dangerous is not such a thing, that natural antibiotics for cats were treated with the same seriousness and handling as synthetic antibiotics. This is especially true today as more and more known bacteria, fungi, parasites, and other infectious microorganisms. Hello. This video is sponsored by Bmix Pets. Are you looking for high-quality cat collars at an affordable cost? Check out bmixpets.com. Use coupon code KittenLife to get 20% off. Natural antibiotic treatments for cats. Treatment with both natural and pharmaceutical means must be under the professional guidance of a veterinarian. In this section, however, you will learn the first steps you can take at home to relieve your pet before you go to the doctor. As research continues into the use of natural antibiotics in veterinary medicine, more potentially valuable natural antibiotics are being tested and studied. These are some of the substances that are currently being studied for their natural antibiotic properties. None of them has yet been tested on cats under controlled clinical conditions. For some, we still need to learn which bacteria they work against and how they work. In the future, when we understand them better, veterinarians may even prescribe them in appropriate concentrations to treat common infections. You can also try applying a clean cloth soaked in warm water or a warm compress to the site. Keep it on the wound for a minute or two at a time. Applying hydrogen peroxide directly to open wounds is not recommended and it may cause further tissue damage. Never use alcohol on an abscess. In the meantime, this list is intended only to provide insight into the natural antibiotics that are of most interest to the scientific community today. 5 Best Natural Antibiotics for Cats. Whether your cat has a stuffy nose or a mild skin infection, there are natural options that can offer them great relief. Some of the most popular natural antibiotics for cats include Manuka honey. Manuka honey is an incredible natural antibiotic that is still being used in animal clinics today. Due to its antibiotic and healing properties, Manuka honey is an effective way to help heal minor and major wounds on the skin. By applying honey on an irritated or injured portion of the skin, you are able to suppress some bacteria growth and speed up the healing process of the skin. Many veterinarians rely on this honey in cases of serious burns, as its abilities to stimulate healthy growth and healing are unmatched. You should always speak with your vet first before using it. Manuka honey just might be your cat's ticket to a smooth healing process. Colloidal silver. Colloidal silver can play many roles in terms of managing your cat's health. This substance is a staple in holistic pet owner diets and is even used by holistic veterinary clinics. Colloidal silver is a natural antibiotic that can be used to help cats that suffer from chronic UTIs, cats that experience GI upset, and even minor skin irritation and wounds. There are vets that also stated that colloidal silver can support cats with liver disease. Cat owners can purchase colloidal silver supplements that allow you to administer the substance by mouth each day, as well as spread a small amount on irritated portions of the skin. Be sure to speak with your vet before using colloidal silver, as it can cause complications in pregnant cats, nursing cats, and cats with chronic medical conditions. Bee propolis. Bee propolis has been used for thousands of years to fight multiple different forms of infections in humans and animals. Due to its natural antibiotic properties, bee propolis has been used to fight upper respiratory infections, GI upset, minor skin infections, and more. Since bee propolis has such a long history of fighting bacteria, there have been multiple studies on the benefits of using this natural substance to help our furry friends. It's been proven to fight off yeast, fungus, bacteria, and even act as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Juniper berry. Juniper berry is a natural supplement that can help cats with chronic UTIs and kidney complications. Due to the antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties, daily use of this supplement can maintain urinary health in cats that struggle with these issues. Since many cats struggle with inflammation in the bladder and urethra, this supplement can provide some relief when it is processed through their urinary system. Because of this, you'll find juniper berry in many holistic cat health products. Echinacea. Echinacea is a popular natural antibiotic for bacterial infections in cats. This supplement is so popular and widely accepted, there is even an entire article about the effectiveness of this supplement on the VCA website. Though it's technically considered an immune stimulant, it's known for its ability to cure upper respiratory infections in cats and dogs. When given as soon as your cat begins to sniffle or sneeze, echinacea can shorten the duration of its symptoms. With having such a large safety margin, it's a safe way to offer your cat a natural alternative to standard antibiotics for URIs. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.